How to replace your ATM, debit or credit card via Digibank mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will show you the way as to how you can go ahead and reset your cards such as your ATM card, debit card or credit card via the Digibank mobile app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, first of all, let's say that you lost your credit card, your debit card or your ATM card for some reason. So in order to replace those, you can go ahead and then simply log into your Digibank mobile. So once you log into your Digibank mobile via user ID, touch ID or anything, tap on the more button which you see at the very bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the more button, you will see this kind of interface where under the manage card and loan section, you have to simply select the option called replace or block card, which is at the very top right. Once you select the option called replace or block card, on the next particular page, we have to simply select the reason for replacement, such as whether your card is damaged or whether your card is lost. So you have to select either of the reasons, such as proceed to request for a replacement card, or if your card is lost, then you can proceed to block a card and request for a replacement card. So you can just go ahead and do this. Now what you have to do is on the next particular page, select the card that is to be replaced, which means the one that you lost. So you might have activated multiple cards before, such as your live fresh card, your ATM or debit card or anything else that you have. Just select the type of cards that you want it to be replaced, and once you've done that, you simply have to review your request and tap on the replace card button, which is at the very bottom of the screen. Once you review your request and tap on the replace card button, your new card will be successfully sent to you within 5 working days or 5 business days, depending upon the bank, depending upon the schedule as well as the national holidays. And hopefully this video helped answer your question as to how you can replace your card if you've lost or damaged it, such as any type of card we have on DBS Bank. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.